calculate the factorial of a number. So first, what is factorial? Let us understand. Factorial is defined as the product of the number with every whole number till it is equal to the same number or it will be the less than 1. Suppose 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here first we will calculate the factorial using for loop. I will explain you step by step how to calculate the factorial of a number using for loop. In for loop we will use range function. So first one number we will take, first we will write the logic. So x, one number we can take. Here I will write factorial of a number using for loop. One x variable we will take, x is equal to 7. Suppose 7 factorial I am calculating. For I in range, one extra we have to add in 7 because stop value here is 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 will not be counted. Then till 1 to 7 we will check it factorial. Fact is equal to 1, one variable we have taken fact whose value is 1. Then we have applied logic, fact is equal to fact multiply I and print fact. Now we will trace the program. If x value is 7, I value starting will be 1, x plus 1 is 8, fact is equal to fact multiply I means 1 multiply 1, that is 1. Initially fact we are taking as 1. We cannot take 0. 1 into 1, 1. Next time x will be 7 only, I will be 2, x plus 1, 8, fact will be 1 into 2, 2. Next iteration, I will be 3, x plus 1 will be 8, fact is equal to 2 multiply 3, 6. So now fact value becomes 6. I will be 4, x will plus 1 will be 8. So 6 into 4, 24. Fact will become 24. Next I will be 5, x plus 1, 8. 24 multiply 5, 120. Next I will become 6, x plus 1 will become 8. 120 multiply by 6, fact into I because then it answer will be 720. Next I will be 7, 720 multiply 7, that means 5040. So finally you got the factorial of 7 as 5040. Here you will not take next number 8 because in range function stop value is not included. So I hope this program is clear using for loop. Now let us understand the same program using IDLE. Let us execute it. X is equal to int, input, enter the number. Then fact we have taken as 1. Fact variable we have taken as 1. We cannot take it 0 because otherwise multiplication will be 0. So for I in range 1 comma x plus 1, fact is equal to fact multiply I. We will process this condition. Fact is equal to fact multiply I. Print fact, and print fact we cannot write it inside the for loop because that many time it will print the value. So we will write print outside the for loop. Print factorial of a number is fact. Is fact. So let us execute it. Shortcut is F5. Either you can press F5. First you have to save the program with proper name. Factorial of a number you can write. Factorial using for loop. Then save it. Execute it. For the different inputs, here I have taken 4. That means 4 factorial is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Next 7 number we will take. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5040. Factorial of 0 is 1. So you can check it, output will be 1. So I hope this program is clear using for loop. Now let us understand the same program using the while loop. In while loop, how you are going to check? So here, till the condition is true, while loop will work. Till the condition is true, while loop will work. So factorial of a number using while loop. Same variable x we will take, fact as 1. Till the condition is true that while loop will work, x is equal to 5 we are taking. While x greater than equal to 1. That means 5 greater than equal to 1, true. So we will calculate fact is equal to fact multiply x. Here reverse we are taking 5 into 1, then 5 into 4, 4 into 3, then 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So x is equal to x minus 1. First time, let us trace the program. Fact is equal to 1, x is equal to 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. So factorial is 5. Next time, x is equal to x minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 greater than 1, true. Then 4 into 1. 5 into 4. Fact was previously 5, so 5 into 4, 20. Next time, x will become 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 greater than equal to 1, true. Fact will become 20 multiply 3, 60. 20 multiply 3, 60. Then x is equal to x minus 1 means 3 minus 1, 2. So fact will become 60 into 2, 120. Next time x will become x minus 1. That means 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 greater than equal to 1, true. So again fact is equal to fact into x. Fact is equal to 120 multiply 1. That means 120. Next is 1 minus 1, 0. 0 greater than equal to 1, false. So this condition become false. Finally we got the answer in factorial as 120. I hope the concept of the factorial is clear using both for loop and while loop. Let us execute the same program using while loop also. So fact is equal to 1, x is equal to int, take the value from the user using input function. Do typecasting with int, enter the number. Then while x greater than equal to 1, you execute the program till the condition is true. Calculate the fact, fact multiply I, print fact. Again, it should be used after the while loop only. So print fact, you cannot write the print fact inside for loop. Check for the different input, you will get the correct answer. So here let us execute it once again for the different input. I will run the program. If I will enter the 6 factorial is 720. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank